We climbed so high that first sweet night, a bad Slavic city light so bright. Bratislava shining like your smile. I knew I'd stay if just a little while. And sushi dreams and clumsy hands, learning chopsticks, you helped me stand. In a world so new, your laughter flew. That's when I knew I was falling for you. Every step with you feels like home. From the quiet streets to mountaintop stones, through laughter, love, and skies so blue. Diva, my heart walks next to you. In every talk, in every view, you make me smile like you always do. A cottage warm, a jacuzzi night, stars above your eyes in candlelight. The way you lean close, soft and true, that we can whisper I love you. And even sick, you climb so far, hide to trust trails beneath the stars. You gave your best, you gave it all, and I held your hand so you wouldn't fall. Every step with you feels like home. From the quiet streets to mountaintop stones, your laughter, love, and skies so blue. Jiva, my heart walks next to you. In every talk, in every view, you make me smile like you always do. We don't need perfect plans or sunny skies, just the sound of your voice, your hand in mine. We talk for hours, we dream out loud. With you, my love, I'm forever proud. Every step with you feels like home. From whispered dreams to love full blown, through the rain or morning dew. Deep, I'll always walk with you. In every laugh and all we've been through, you make me smile like you always do.